Hi friends, welcome to the quiz star. Let's check your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers, letters and emoji within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium and hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Start with the easy level. Hey, senior and junior viewers, welcome back. Nobody can find two within given time. Wow, super catch, senior and junior. Hey, find the odd pop emoji, only 10 seconds. Hey, senior and junior viewers, challenge your first tries. Can you complete the easy level? Wow, super catch the different pop emoji. One person viewer passed this challenge. Find Q, only 10 seconds. Come on, senior and junior viewers. Wow, perfect, super fast eyes. Hey, find the odd Spider-Man. Come on. Wow, nice catch, the different Spider-Man. Spot the odd ghost emoji within given time. Wow, perfect, the different ghost emoji. Test your eagle eyes, find Z, only 10 seconds. Hey, super fast eyes, come on. Are you focus master? Find B, only 10 seconds. Oh, perfect, you are focus master. Hey, senior and junior viewer, test your math skills. Can you solve this? Wow, perfect. The right answer 195. Find the odd number 5 within given time. Come on, senior and junior viewers. Wow, perfect, the number 5. Hey, senior and junior viewers, test your IQ level. Find the repeated two numbers within given time. Wow, perfect, the repeated number is 20. Anybody can find 38, only 10 seconds. Wow, super catch, completed easy level. Medium level start. Hey, senior and junior viewers, spot the different number within given time. Wow, super catch, the different number 309. Hey, senior and junior, one letter is different within given time. Wow, perfect. The different letter. Find the word super dog. Come on, senior and junior viewers. Hey, super dog. Spot the word emoji within given time. Wow, super catch the different emoji. Hey, senior and junior, one number is different within given time. Excellent, the different number 129. Hey, test your journal knowledge within given time. Hey, perfect, the knowledge master. Find the odd one 628. Come on, quiz lover. Wow, super easily find 628. Hey, challenge your math skills. Can you solve this? Hey, perfect. Super math skills. Test your observation skills. Find 720. Wow, senior and junior viewers completed medium level. Start with the hard level. Hey, senior and junior viewers, how good are your eyes? Find double 12. Wow, super fast eyes. Come on. Hey, pick the odd ninja emoji within given time. Come on, senior and junior viewers. Wow, nice catch the different ninja emoji. Find the odd letter within given time. Wow, perfect. Letter is find. Hey, find the word cute monkey. Wow, perfect. The cute monkey. Hey, your observation skills find 48 and 26. Wow, super observation skills. Hey, senior and junior viewers, test your brain. Find the repeated two letters within given time. Wow, perfect. The repeated letter is Z. Hey, challenge your eyes. Find 93 and 18. Come on, senior and junior viewers. Excellent, super fast eyes. Find the word shark. Nice catch, the different shark. Hey, senior and junior, can you find 9F and 94? Wow, that's one. Hey, find the word Dr. Cat. Super catch, the Dr. Cat. Hey, how bright are your eyes? Nice catch, super eyes. Hey, puzzle master, find double 19. Hey, perfect, your puzzle master. Hey, math lovers, can you solve this? Wow, super catch, the right answer. Hey, the final challenge, senior and junior viewers, within given time. Excellent work, senior and junior viewers completed hard level. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Please like, subscribe and share. Next challenge,